Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to buy the lazy sway actions or emotes in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and at this event you can get these special emotes or special pose actions. One of them is lazy sway like this one, and to get this it's very easy. First, just tap on this balloon icon, this one, and then just tap on the festival store, and then just use this lazy sway actions like this, and it costs 8,000 tokens. So make sure you have enough tokens, festival tokens, that you can get it from the town festival catalogs, and you can also get this token from the selling items to Azure. And once you have enough tokens, just tap on buy and then tap on purchase like this, and then just tap on confirm like this, and just like that the new actions will be added to your solo actions list. This one. And okay, that's it. It's very easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.